Ever found yourself needing to send money on Venmo, only to realize your bank account is running low and you need another payment option? Well, you're not alone. Adding a debit or credit card to your Venmo account is a super common and quick way to ensure you're always ready to split a bill, pay a friend back, or make a purchase. And today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to do just that. Whether you're adding a new card for the first time or just updating an old one, this process will have you covered in no time. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Venmo app on your phone. From the home screen, you'll see your profile picture or initials in the top right or bottom right corner, depending on your app version. Tap on that to get to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, you should see a settings gear icon. Give that a tap. In the settings menu, look for the payment methods section. It's usually a few options down. When you find it, tap on payment methods. Here, you'll see any bank accounts or cards you currently have linked. To add a new one, you'll see an option like Add a Bank or Card. Tap on that. Venmo will then give you a choice between adding a bank and adding a card. Select Card. Now you have two choices for adding your card information. You can either use your phone's camera to scan the card, which is super fast and easy, or you can manually enter the card details. If you choose to scan, just line up your card within the frame on your screen, and Venmo will automatically capture the card number and expiration date. If you're entering the details manually, you'll need to type in your card number, the expiration date, the CVV, that's the 3 or 4-digit security code on the back or front of your card, and your billing zip code. After you've entered all the information, double-check to make sure it's correct and then tap Add. Venmo will securely verify the card, and once it's approved, you'll see it listed in your payment methods and it will be ready to use. It's that simple. Now, when you go to make a payment, you'll have the option to select this new card from your list of payment methods. Just remember, there might be a small fee when using a credit card for payments to friends, but using a debit card is typically free. Keep that in mind as you make your transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.